What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find the latest jobs post on LinkedIn. As you can see here guys, I'm on my phone, so this is going to be a mobile tutorial. And in order to find the latest job post, just simple tap on jobs at the bottom there. You can search for a job. So let's say I want to search for editing jobs or whatever. I'm going to choose video editing jobs. And in order to find those jobs, all you have to do is go to the section at the top there where it says date posted. Click that little drop down there and you want to find the jobs that are posted. Now, let's say I want to find jobs that are posted in the last 24 hours. I can tap on that and then click and show the results there. It's going to show those latest jobs that were recently posted within the last 24 hours. If you want to make it a bit wider, you can say the past week or you can say the past month, right? But for the latest jobs, this is how you can easily filter them and find them. And that's it guys, very easy and very simple how to find recently posted jobs on LinkedIn.